How to use Airtable for project management. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Airtable for your project management needs and how you can manage everything and connect everything with Airtable in a very easy manner. So let's get into the video. So this is basically airtable.com. You can basically go on and search it up and you're going to access this site. It is a very good platform in which you can connect everything and achieve everything. As you can see, they say accelerate work and unlock potential with powerful apps that connect your data, workflows, and teams. So this is how you can go on and connect everything on Airtable. You can create solutions that mirror your business. You can unite every stream of work and you can interface with work in a new way and bring all your data together with Airtable. So it is a very great platform that you can use for your needs. So how you can basically get started, it is very easy. Just click on this button which says sign up for free, or you can continue with here as well. I'm just going to go on and click on sign up for free, and I'm going to continue by creating my account. Okay, so here you can see that I can enter in my work email and continue by creating my account manually by adding the password, etc. Or I can continue with Google as well. So I'm just going to continue with Google, or you can also continue with Apple ID if you are using Mac. So I'm just going to continue with Google right now, and then I'll show you guys what is the next step. Okay, so now they're asking a couple of questions for you. What team are you on, etc. To personalize the whole effect of your table for you and to get you the things, the solutions that you might need depending on the position that you're using it as. So you can go on and select what your department is, or you can just skip this whole thing. I'm just going to go on and have a creative production department. I'm going to continue. Then you can see who else is on your creative production team. You can add new team members, and you can just go on and invite anyone by email, and you can earn extra $10 in credit per invite. So I'm just going to skip all of this thing, and I'm going to continue with the platform right away. So you can see that this is the dashboard of Airtable. It looks promising, it looks very neat. So how you can basically get started is you have all these workspaces. So workspaces are the things where your projects are gonna be, and you can start from scratch. You can quickly upload your stuff into migrated from other apps using like if you are using some other project management apps, you can transport or upload your data from that, or you can upload from your Google Drive as well. You can you're going to get all your data right here in no time. So you can create the workspace from this plus option, or you can also click on this option to create a workspace. So a workspace is a thing which manages all of your projects within a certain department. Like for example, if you are running a company and you have all these different departments, the one is HR, one is product design, one is creative heads, the other are, you can see, marketing team. So if you have all of these departments, you can manage their products by assigning each workspace to each of these departments. Within the workspace, you're going to get all of those projects. You're going to get different contacts, and you can manage all of these things separately differentiated by these workspaces. So I'm just going to click on this create a workspace. I'm going to create a new workspace where I'm going to show you how you can do everything. So this is a workspace 2. I'm just going to add in the name as test workspace. So this is our test workspace. Now this workspace is empty, so you have to create a base. Get started by creating a new base for that, or you can add the collaborators. This is I'm the only collaborator right now here, but you can make add in new collaborators as well, which will be the people working in this work. Okay, so you have this option to create the base. So in the bases, you can add anything that you want. First of all, I have a list of things. So if you on creation, I can add a grid, I can add a form, calendar, gallery, Kanban, timeline, list, Gantt, or a new section as well. And if I'm just getting started, you can see that it has given me an option to import my work from Google Sheets, from pasting the data from any software or any kind of any kind of data that has been saved into my computer, a CSV file, and an Excel. So I can just go and import the data, and I'm going to restart everything from scratch. I'm just going to cross it. Now here you can see that this is a grid view that I have right now. So you can have a couple of extensions that you can use in order to basically have everything at ease with you. So I'm just going to cross that as well because I'm not going to add any kind of extensions. So now here you can see that you have a grid. So you can continue with the grid view, or you can change the view to rename. You can any view, duplicate view, or download as CSV. You can hide the files, filter, you have group, color, and you can share your view from this option. So this is the data. If you want to go on to automations, you can generate different kind of automations, like when a record matches condition, when a form is submitted, when a record is created. So whenever a record is created or whenever a record is updated, you're going to get a trigger. You're going to basically get a notification from from Airtable that this has been done. So you can take a look at that, or if you want to change something, you can take a look at that as well. Then you have your interfaces right here. drag and drop your data into an action, you can see your interface of how your dashboard is going to look like, how your views are going to look like. So to keep everything in to advance, to keep everything breezy, and to keep everything very active, you can have a very good interface which is going to help you a lot. So going back on the dashboard, back on the dashboard here, you can see that this is the first unit base that I have created on test workspace. So this is how where you can differentiate your projects in specific department, as I've already told you. So if you want to create a new base, just click on this option and you can create a new base. Going on, if you think that this is such a hassle to create the whole workspace for with your by yourself, and to create a unit base by yourself, and to basically have everything in one place all by by instinct, and by if you don't want to design everything, you have some different kind of templates or solutions that you can use on Airtable. I'm going on to my templates. Okay, here you can see that this is these are the templates that you can use. This is a project tracker, this is a content calendar, you have popular marketing templates as well, you have marketing campaigns, event planning, you have social media calendar, then you have popular templates for product and design, product roadmap, product launch, OKR tracking, you have popular templates for operations, expense tracker, etc. So for all your needs in your specific business, you can use these templates which have all the pre-designed things, which is going to have a pre-designed base unit. So you can just go on and edit it by adding in your personal data, by adding in your details of your products and your marketing campaigns, etc. And then you can continue by managing them, and you can continue by taking a look whenever you want to do with this. So this is going to make everything so easy for you, and you don't have to add everything by yourself, and to manage everything by yourself, you don't have to go on and add all those headings, all those views and everything. It is going to this template is going to have everything. So let's take a look at this marketing campaign right here. So here you can see that this is the how the campaign looks like. This is a campaign. Here the results are going to be, you have your views, you have your view creative created by, okay, you have customized cards and filtered by status. You can see that brand campaign, search campaign, Instagram testing. So these are all the things that are available in this marketing campaign tracking. So you can click open each one of these, and you can see what's happening. You can see goal is this, status is this, and start date is this, and hide 5 hidden fields. And you can see all of these fields are hidden, like you have your end date, you have your platform, you have results, you have a creative of a picture or something, which is basically the interactive thing. So you can see that everything in all here is set. So you can just go on, edit this template by adding in your own information, by your own brand campaign, search campaign, etc. And you can continue with this. So if you want to use this campaign, just click on this option, try this template, and you're good to go. Okay, so these are the pricing plans of Airtable. There is a free one available where you're going to get unlimited bases and up to 5 creators or editors. Then there is a plan available for $10. The pro plan is for $20, and enterprise, for that you have to contact the sales. In each of these, you can you can see the number of extensions increasing, the number of sync integrations are increasing, record base is increasing. So you can get one which is available, which is basically suits your needs according to your business type or your business size. So if you are just a beginner, you can continue with the free one as well. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy.